Are you ready for fall? Well, let's get started by participating in this fall lantern freestyle collaboration. Hey guys, welcome back. Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax because I am sharing with you a total masterpiece for today. I will share with you how I have created and styled out this beautiful lantern for the fall. Now, all of the other content information will be in my description box below, so please make sure you check that out. But we're going to go ahead and get started decorating this lantern for the fall. All right, guys, got your coffee? Got your tea? Make sure you get a snack because it is part of a collaboration. All right, guys, love y'all so much for stopping by. Let's get to work. So guys, let's start off by sharing with you the items that I will be using. Now, this gorgeous lantern here is one that I picked up from Ross early part of spring or summer, and it was on clearance for $20. Actually, it was so cute, I purchased two. This little flowering wreath here, I'm going to use it on the inside as a ring for my candle. Also, I actually purchased three of these, and I think I purchased them from either the Dollar General or the Family Dollar. And this one here has little peaches on it, and the other one had like a pumpkin or two. So I'm going to use these, and then this string of garland here. I think I purchased that from, I want to say maybe Joann's. And then I got three of these spools of ribbon, and y'all know I love the non-traditional colors, so as you see, it's lots of blue in the ribbon with some orange and I think white pumpkins. So I'm going to make a beautiful bow for this beautiful lantern here. I will only be using one of these lanterns today. So here I'm going to use my favorite window cleaner to give it a little shine, hopefully to get some of the fingerprints off of it and to hopefully keep my fingerprints off of it. But I'm going to give it a good little clean down with this glass cleaner, and then I will come back and we will continue to talk about the things that I'm going to use. So here guys, I am going to add the candle ring inside of the lantern, and then I'll just turn it around so you guys can see. Isn't this a beautiful lantern? I fell in love with it when I saw it in the store, and like I said, it had a price tag of $40, but then it had been marked down at half price. I didn't see anything that was wrong with it, so of course I got the two that they had. And you know, with Ross, they don't normally have, especially my Ross, usually don't have a lot of merchandise by the time that I generally get in there. But this particular day, I was so happy to see that these lanterns were absolutely gorgeous. So we're just going to take and try to get this ring to fit inside. And of course, one of the little peaches fell off, so we'll just stick it back on. If I wanted to, I could add some glue, but I'm not going to do that. I think it's okay, but we're gonna put it back in, and it's gonna work for now. So here I have this swag that I've used before. So what I'm going to do is to give it a good fluff, and then I'm going to go in and add that garland of pumpkins that I shared with you guys earlier, and then we're going to work on creating this beautiful swag for my lantern. All right, guys, so thank you so much. Keep watching until the end. But let me go ahead and get the logistics out of the way, guys. This is part of a collaboration. It is hosted by my dear sweet sister Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and she has some very talented creators that will be joining with her as her co-host. And I will have all of their channel links in my description box below, along with a playlist link. So please make sure you check that out. I want to say thanks to Anna for hosting this collab and her co-host. And if you're new to my channel, again, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you would love to become a part of this family here, it is easy. Just go ahead, hit the red subscribe button, and make sure you tap that notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any and all up and coming uploads. Guys, here at this channel, I love creating tablescapes, but I also love doing a little DIYs, a little cooking and a little cleaning. But my most favorite is creating a beautiful tablescape. So guys, continue to watch and continue to enjoy. And hopefully we can inspire you to go ahead and get started on your fall decor styling. All right, guys, we're going to fire up this hot glue gun, inserted a glue stick, and then I will start attaching these pumpkins to the swag. So here I decided to glue the pumpkins in threes, and then I will place them on the swag, and I will have one additional one that will hang off on the end. So this is what I'm doing. It's just attaching these three together to make a grouping, and then I'm going to place them throughout the swag. So here I am attaching one of the sets of threes to the swag just by applying the glue to the pumpkin, and then give it a little pressure just so that they will stick. And then we will continue to move along. Here I'm cutting my ribbon to create my bow for the lantern. And if you guys want to see how I created this bow, then leave me a comment in the comment section and I will be happy to do a separate video for you. Guys, it is reveal time and I am so excited. Now, you know, I'm one of those non-traditional color styling kind of gals for the fall. And I am so in awe of this beautiful bow I have created. I ended up doing two bows, one for the front of the swag and one for the back of the lantern. But guys, it is so full, it's plush, and this lantern is absolutely gorgeous. The ambiance of the lighting, and I've started creating my tablescape, and hopefully I can share that with you in Tablescape Tuesday. So look for me in the lineup for Tablescape Tuesday. I am going to do my best to get this video in that lineup. If everything works out, I'll be there. But, you know, life happens sometimes. So, but guys, tell me what you think of this beautifully styled lantern. Let me know what you think by leaving me a comment in the comment section. Again, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I take this time to say thank you. If you want to be a part of this family, again, it's real easy. Just hit the red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, and you'll always be notified of any up and coming uploads. Be blessed, guys. Thanks so much for stopping by, and hope to see you real soon.